Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to download and install TestFlow on your machine. Simply, you will get the desktop app from the dashboard or to go to the executor page and get the desktop app. You download it from here. Once downloaded, open the installer. Then you select the folder where you want to install it. Hit next. Next. Let's create a desktop shortcut. The installer will install all the packages needed for TestFlow. Using TestFlow app, you will be able to select the created tests and execute them, saving your data at your local PC. Thanks for watching.